Hello everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, do you want to know about viewyourdeal.com reviews? So, here we are going to update you with this unbiased review in this video. So, please stay connected with us. Also, if you wish to buy any product from this site, then please do watch this video. And if you have already experienced any fraud over this website, or if you have not received the product or got a damaged product, then please do watch this video till the end so that we can show you the way to get your money back. So, please stay tuned with us. People from the United States and Canada are very curious to know about this site. So guys, make sure to watch the full video and get to know about the full details of this website. So now we'll check this website, what kind of website this is and what kind of products does it offer to the customers. So this website is an online shopping store which deals with various sorts of products. They offer accessories, jewelries, apparels, shoes, bags, equipments, and many other products. So if you're interested, then you have to visit to their official site. So next we'll check the other details. So first we'll check their payment method. But as you can see, they haven't given it here separately. For that, you have to go to the checkout zone. So this website accepts ShopPay, PayPal, and Google Pay. Now if you want to know about the shipping policy, click in the FAQ section, scroll it down, and here they have given it. So here it has to mention that most orders are shipped within 2 to 5 days. But guys, before going further, it is requested from you all to like, share and subscribe to our channel. And also please do share your viewpoints in the comment section. Now let's discuss about the alleged messy factors with the help of which you can judge whether this website is a legit or a scam site. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe, which is a good sign of this website. Now talking about the domain information, this website was registered on 7th of July 2015 and it will expire on 7th of July 2022, which means it is a quite old website. Now if you want to know about their About Us details, so this website hasn't given their About Us page section anywhere. So next we'll check their contact details. For that you have to go to the help and here they have given their email address. But they have only provided their email address. They haven't given their full contact details, which is the negative sign of this website. But the email address name does match the domain name, which is a positive sign of this website. Now talking about the social media presence of this website. So this website does have social media presence over Twitter, Facebook and on Instagram. Also we have checked the amount of followers. On Instagram they have over 20,000 followers and on Facebook they have over 50,000 followers. Now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, go to the FAQ section, scroll it down and here they have given it. But as you can see, they haven't given their exact return timing. They have only mentioned that if you want to return the product, you have to email them within 24 hours. And they have also not given their refund timing. So do comment about your experience in return or refund of the product. For return or refund issues, check our description area. There you will find the link through which you can solve your money issues. Now talking about the viewyourdeal.com reviews, we have found some reviews with a 2.1 rating and almost all the reviews are negative. Now the TrustNick score of this website is 96% and the business trust ranking is 75.4%, which is quite good. And the content quality also seems fine. So in the conclusion of the viewyourdeal.com reviews, this website appears to be a suspicious website. As you can see, this website is quite old, but the reviews are negative and it also has got social media presence. But they haven't provided their full contact details, so it seems very suspicious. But we also recommend you to make a right decision after exploring well. So guys, if this review is helpful for you, then please do comment your thoughts about this video. We are always active in answering your comments. So do like, share and subscribe to our channel and have a nice day.